VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, as name suggests, it is the function available in MS Excel for lookup value vertically. Okay, it looks the value, searches for the value vertically. As I have the documentation for that, VLOOKUP searches the value vertically down for the lookup table. Okay, it looks for the value vertically in lookup table. Uh, I'm sharing my screen for you to show it. Okay, just wait for a minute. Just wait for a minute. I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So let's continue as the definition suggests. VLOOKUP searches for the value vertically down for the lookup table. uh, VLOOKUP formula, we need to write down the lookup, and we have some parameters in it. Lookup value, that is basically user inputted value, and second parameter is table array, the table where we want to searches for the value, the entire table. Column index, column index is the number of column where the value actually located, where value actually located. And range lookup is the boolean value. It is basically true and false. So let's discuss it one by one. Lookup value, it is the user input. This is the value that function uses to search on. So let me open action for practice. Microsoft Excel. Wait for a minute. Once I open, uh, so it is opening up, and we will do the practice and implement the function over there.
Yes, sir.
For that, we have to have some data like name, class, phone number, and address. This is our record, and input some record. These are the names we have inputted, and let's enter the value for the class. Enter the value for phone number, some phone number, dummy entries are there. And we are entering the address. This is just completion of record. So our table is ready for using the VLOOKUP function. Basically, this is the exercise table, so size is quite small. But in real life example, the table is quite big that contains hundreds and thousands of records. But for this, uh, we are just taking it as an example. So just a small number of records, and we try to implement our VLOOKUP function using that table. So uh, let's say this table contains thousands or 10,000s of records. So we are
Yes, sir.
converting this in table. First of all,
Yes,
convert
sir.
this in table. Uh, this is optional conversion, by the way. I have converted this data in table, and you can leave this data as is, right? So this is not necessary to convert the data in table, but for the VLOOKUP, I need to have a lookup value. Suppose that we want to find the phone number or address, phone number for these students in tables. Suppose that this column contains 5,000 or 6,000 records, and the name Vandana is at bottom or somewhere else. I don't know where it is in table. So I need to know what is the phone number for Vandana. Then there is very hard possibility to find the phone number using drag and look up or go over there. So there might be some duplicate records as well. That's all things. So we use the VLOOKUP formula for that. That is the very convenient way to figure out, right? Suppose that
Yes, sir.
we want phone number, phone number for name, and here name.
Yes, sir.
All of these things are optional. The designing and formatting part is optional. What we need to implement our VLOOKUP formula. For that, we must start with the equal sign for VLOOKUP. Uh, VLOOKUP, right?
Yes,
When
sir.
you start typing VL, it will give you the suggestion for that, and then it is asking for the lookup value. Lookup value, where do you want the value from? Okay, the value, lookup value, I want name from this cell G4, name, and the table array, the whole table. Where do you want that data from? Whole table. It selected the whole table. I converted the table, so it is basically
Yes,
give
sir.
the table one, table array, and the column index, the index of the column. So
Hmm.
index of the column will be column number
3.
three, because
Yes.
name is 1, 2, and 3. 3 is the column number for table. Put the 3,
Column number of
and
phone numbers.
here is the fourth, range lookup. It is basically boolean value and accept true or false. If I set it true, then it will give you the approximate match. What I don't want approximate match, I want exact match. Means if phone number is available there, it will give us the phone number. Otherwise, it will return some error or something else. Right? Hash, and it will
Yes,
return.
sir.
So I want the exact match. So there will be no confusion about the data, and hit the enter. Now you can see that the error was showing here because there is nothing in this cell as of now. If I
Yes, sir.
type underneath it returns the value. You can see that
Yes, sir.
the Navneet's phone number is displaying in this field.
Yes, sir.
This is the same value. Now change again, do it Dia. Once I type the Dia name, it returns the phone number of Dia. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
how we can utilize the VLOOKUP
For
formula.
no.
This
We look
formula
up.
is very
Yes, sir.
useful and very important. This the, very important in Excel. Uh, in every field, in every data analysis, we use the VLOOKUP formula. So this formula is very important and necessary for all the Excel learners, whosoever are beginners or advanced or intermediate, doesn't matter. VLOOKUP is the most important and powerful formula of the Excel.
Yes, sir.
So again, if you have any question, feel free to ask. Any question till now?
No, sir. Clear.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Even though
Sir.
the yes,
Yes.
any question? No question. So let's move ahead. The table name is optional. By the way, the name of the table I created and I converted the data in the form of table. That is basically optional. We can remove the data from table to the raw data. Okay, here is the table name is giving that. So it is containing the table 1. The name is basically given by the Excel and all the values that uh, if you have raw data, similarly apply select the all the data. Excel will handle automatically all the things. You need not enter the
Yes.
manual record on that thing. Okay, cell range or value. Just you need to select the range of the whole data. Now
Yes,
uh,
sir.
let's move ahead with the another formula, that is HLOOKUP. This is basically vertical lookup. HLOOKUP is horizontal lookup. What HLOOKUP does? HLOOKUP looks for the
Horizontal lookup.
horizontal value. Suppose that we have phone number, and the name, right? In phone number, based on the phone number, I want to find the problem. Excel is
Okay,
in
sir.
your WPS office, so you can go there and check it out,
Sir.
this function, okay, formula. And we can also make it dynamic. Dynamic means if we want to change the column from here to here, if I want address, then it will return the address as well,
Yes, sir.
right? So how can we figure out that thing? Just we need to change the column name, sorry, column. Okay, it is column number 3, it is column number 4. So how can we do that? We use the match function.
Okay, sir.
So syntax for the match function is lookup value,
Yes, sir.
lookup value in H, and lookup array. Lookup array header.
Mm.
Again, the exact match is first one
Yes,
is
sir.
0. Put the 0 and close the bracket. Now if I change the phone number to address, it will show the address for the dia. You can see
Yes,
that
sir.
71 is the address for the dia, as you can see. And if I again change here class, it will show the class 8.
Yes, sir.
Right, so I
Sir,
made it
if we change the name
dynamic.
of
I made it dynamic means I can even find the value from uh, I mean name using name, and also find the value of the class and some other columns as well. So it is most versatile and dynamic formula I am showing to you, right?
yes, sir.
So very interesting and very good. But most of the Excel developers or the uh, teachers who teaches just for the VLOOKUP formula of previous version, not using the match function. Okay, I applied the match function as well on the formula. You can see that match function
Yes,
again
sir.
VLOOKUP and match function for the टेबल मीन्स कॉलम
Hmm.
कॉलम हेडर से हमने वैल्यू ले ली वॉट एवर कॉलम हेडर वी वांट वी कैन look for that value doesn't matter what value is there we can change look value from here and from here as well if I want to change the name to Shivani class showing 6 if I
Yes,
want
sir.
to address for
Want her
Shivani
phone number.
it is address 1 so it is basically
Yes, sir.
dynamic right and most important formula we figure out using the match
Yes, sir.
so it is dynamic now any question in VLOOKUP formula similarly we can use the HLOOKUP as well but that time it was showing some error what if I applied somewhere else different then it will show the exact value I need to write down the separate header all that thing then apply the formula it will not show the error basically
Yes,
right
sir.
for applying the match it is working perfectly
Yes, sir.
any other question till now
No, sir.
No, sir.
okay so I will put this on YouTube to revise it and watch it and also give you the this practice table right so
Yes,
formula
sir.
is there you can use this formula again and again for your practice and become the habitual using of such kind of formulas in these formulas these values are basically parameters or reference values parameter value we pass the parameter or argument in every function that is predefined by the excel give the parameter value and we pass on user actually pass the values to calculate uh, look for the values and function works there and look up for the values and displays the result this is what the formula and function does it
Yes,
makes
sir.
our task easier we can easily figure out the uh, different kind of data in short period of time in quick way so our time is running out of time because only 10 minutes left for our class so again I'm repeating this we must start with the equal sign for VLOOKUP and then put the open bracket parameter value where you want to look for the value that is the lookup value comes from this field G, G4 then after that the table table array means where do you want from the data कहाँ से आपको डेटा चाहिए that value so this is our table all table and uh, third one is the column which column you want the data basically I
Yes, sir.
made it dynamic column using the match function dynamic column so it is now dynamic even though if you want phone number class or address any of column if you want class it is the column number 2, phone number, column number 3, and address, column number 4. So this is how we can use the VLOOKUP formula. If you find any value, feel free to share and like the hit button.